Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good evening, I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. The snow is taking over the viewing area. Things are getting quite messy out there, and snow will continue through tonight and into tomorrow afternoon. Threat tracker, of course, high as we're expecting very slick and dangerous travel and definitely some accumulating snow across much of the viewing area. By Sunday, things will be a lot quieter with partly cloudy skies, but with snow on the ground, temperatures will stay cool heading into next week. Now, as far as what we're seeing in terms of winter weather advisories, well, that covers much of the viewing area, except for some counties in the south and again in the north. This will be the main swath here of where we see the highest snowfall totals, and that's where travel will be the most dangerous all the way through Saturday. Now, here's Future Track. And again, we're seeing that line from the rain to snow right about Highway 30 as of about 6:30, 7 o'clock. But as we start to make our way through the evening, that transition line will drop further and further south, except for some areas south of I-80. That will take a little longer to transition over, probably until about 3 a.m. or so. Otherwise, mostly snow for the rest of the viewing area through tonight, except for some areas along and north of Highway 18. And yes, that snow could be heavy, and that will accumulate pretty quickly on the ground. Then you start to see the transition over to all snow for the entire viewing area by tomorrow morning. Again, still looking at some heavy snowfall at times throughout the morning hours of Saturday. Finally, by the afternoon, that snow will begin to taper off, and we should see it pushing out by the evening hours of Saturday. And again, clouds will decrease after that, and then some cool temperatures will push on in. As far as accumulations go, a good swath there. Again, remember the winter weather advisories, 2 to 5 inches in that dark blue spot, really from a line north of Elkader all the way to a line north of Waterloo. And then again, south of I-80, a little less, trace of 2 inches there. Within that main pocket of snow, we could see some spots picking up 4 to 6 inches, especially in the east and again in the west. So this will be a fairly significant snowstorm for December. We just haven't really seen anything so far this month. Now, the winds will also be pretty strong. Those coming in from about the northeast or the north, about 15 to 25 miles per hour, gusts around 30 or 35 miles per hour. So we could see reduced visibility as that snow falls. A little bit of blowing snow, but the snow that we're talking about here is going to be a very slushy or wet type because temperatures still pretty mild. We'll drop down to the upper 20s and low 30s for tonight as that snow continues. Then for tomorrow, high temperatures right around the mid-30s or so. So again, it's just a very messy system as it makes its way through. Here's your city-by-city forecast. Then Sunday, we'll probably start to see some melting with partly cloudy skies, but temperatures will really struggle with the snow on the ground. So highs will be in about the low to mid-30s, even cooler heading into Monday as we stay in the mid to upper 20s with partly cloudy skies continuing. 10-day forecast will show a pretty quiet week ahead. Looking dry overall as skies range from partly cloudy to cloudy, and Tuesday looks to be the most cloud cover there. But again, temperatures remain cool, 20s to about the mid-30s, and lows will be down into the mid-teens for much of the week until we track our next potential system by next weekend for Saturday and Sunday.